at the history here at Roxiticus Golf Club. Here at Roxiticus Golf Club, there's a beautiful golf course that's family focused and private, established in 1964, carved out about 200 acres of mountainous woodland. This club is famous for its stunning views and also Grand Millionaire Estate. Let's walk through the history here. That originally, well, back before it was a golf course, there was an Indian tribe that sit here, and the name of the local area was Roxiticus, which translates to meeting place. And by the turn of the 20th century, a wealthy individual came through and took advantage of the high ground and built a millionaire's mansion with that intention, as locals called it. This wealthy banker was named Walter B. Blitz and brought up two local farms owned by a brewing family. On the combination of land, he managed a massive personal estate. Now, decades later, they tried to sell the property to the Kellogg's family or company, which turned out to be a food research center. After years, the plans fell through. Doors opened for a golf course. And by the 1960s, owners of Oakwood Golf Course partnered up and transformed the club into private grounds into a brand new golf club. In 1979, there was a fire that took place that destroyed the original mansion that we speak of today, and members built together a modern day golf course as a result. The original course was built by Hal Purdy in 1965. It has mountainous views, tight windows for fairway, and also a beautiful foundation of just family oriented golf. It did see some updates and modern changes. It's a shot maker's vision of Al Purdy's original layout, but still, this course remains a major draw for those individuals. It's beyond just an 18-hole golf course. It has Olympic-sized pools, 3 paddle courts at the time, and multiple other amenities one would need. This is definitely a top destination for those looking for a private golf club outside the upper New Jersey, central New Jersey area. This is well worth the ride. Hopefully we get out here and learn a little bit more about this course in the near future. And be sure to write any information you have down below in the comment section. That's it for this video. Be sure also to let us know if you have any information of any courses that you think would be good to review. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. And more importantly, get out there and play some golf in the near future.